Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all on this video. And in this video, I'm going to unbox this box. Just now, I received this one from Amazon. Okay, I purchased or I cracked this deal because of the recent deal and that's going on. And check out the link for the description, and check out the link in the description, and you can get the product URL or link. So for the first time I have seen this one. If a pink dot or like this, I don't know what is this. So but here I can see some strips, but I'm not sure. And I will clearly post this in the shorts section, so you can able to find those what it is. First, let's get inside. Okay, the package is normal. Let's cut this. Hmm. There is no color change. Maybe if someone peeled this, might be fine, but I don't have idea about that. Always Amazon will send a big package for everything. That's good. Hmm. Here it is. Our main detail. Sony WH-CH720N. Quite a bit long. This is my first Sony product, officially first Sony product. 360 reality audio might be uh, spatial audio. Yes, it is having noise cancellation, and yeah, two device at a time, and some buttons. Some details over there in the bottom or side might be, and you can see the this is the original price, but I cracked it for around 6K. Look good, right? And yes, it is having MFA, also okay Google and Alexa built in, so you can wake up Siri. I hope so. And some details in the back of the package. This is the main option or main reason that I purchased this one, because I'm a kind of Apple lossless guy. Fine. Yeah, these are, and rest of them are like normal things. And here it is. Need to cut this. I'm the first guy. I hope so. Fine, done. And yeah, but how to? Oh, I need to cut everything. Okay. Oh, my bad. Fine. Uh, nice. Okay, this looks like a EQ package, kind of low quality one. Let's keep this aside. And okay, here it is again. Oh, nice. Here you can see one start guide. Then power on, Sony headphone connect. Okay, maybe this is for the application. Also, it is having a Microsoft Shift pair. Oh, this cloth is nice. I thought this is a paper, but this is nice. Here it is, our main guy. So on your shoulder it will be like this, on your head it will be like this, maybe on your shoulder it will be like this, who knows. So the comfort and everything you can able to see, how while wearing how it is, you can able to see in the shots. That's all. No, 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 let's get in. Okay, here it is, some paperwork. I don't like, they gave the charging cable, but oh, it is mentioned Sony. Fine. And also the valuable gold plated 3.5 to 3.5 aux cable. That's all, nothing else in this box. And here it is, you can see type C for charging and on off button. Then that three gorgeous 3.5 jack. And the other side, I hope this is a phone on off and volume plus minus. then wake up for your personal assistant, then an ANC means noise cancellation and ambient noise. And this leather looks like good good memory foam. Finally, anyway, that's all about this video, guys. It's me, Formika, signing off. Mutual guys in my next video. Peace.